Yeah, good morning. It's about 5 a.m. in the morning. Got a little bit of rain coming around. Just waiting for it to stop. I'm at work at the moment. Wet, cold, but somehow beautiful. Beautiful bit of cold rain in Western Australia during our winter. I need it to slow down a bit. Got to get over to those buildings. I've got no wet weather gear. If anything, it's getting harder by the sound. Suppose you can never complain when it rains. We need as much water as we can get. We do live in a very dry climate. Suppose all the gutters are now overflowing. It's a beautiful sound, rain, especially on a January. Just down there amongst all those trees, one of the biggest alumina refineries probably in the world, actually. Most productive, profitable, employs a lot of people. I know when people hear about refineries, of course there's concerns for the land. Got to give the company credit to rehabilitate the land. And they do a very successful job. I just need a 1 minute break in the rain so I can run across there. All those lights in the background, it's all part of the refinery. It goes all the way down there. It's quite big, actually. Alright, the rain's breaking. I'm going to make a run for it. Hope everyone has a great day. Stay out of trouble. And talk to you later.